Hello and welcome to Ideal Learning. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrencies. Our focus, the fundamentals of Bitcoin. In a digital age where money is becoming more virtual than ever, Bitcoin has emerged as a revolutionary concept. It's not just a currency, it's a glimpse into the future of finance. Throughout this video, I'll be your guide, breaking down the complexities and demystifying Bitcoin, making it accessible for everyone. So, whether you're new to the world of finance or a seasoned investor, you're in the right place. Let's begin this journey by understanding the very essence of Bitcoin, its history, and how it's changing the way we think about money. Buckle up, because it's going to be an enlightening ride into the world of Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? So, what exactly is Bitcoin? At its core, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows you to send and receive money over the internet. It's like digital cash that exists solely in the digital world. You can use it to buy goods and services, or even hold it as an investment. Imagine it as money for the internet age. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority. It's a global, borderless form of money that's changing the way we think about finance. Picture this: you can send Bitcoin to someone on the other side of the world in minutes, and the transaction fees are often lower than traditional banking. It's fast, it's secure, and it's transforming the way we conduct financial transactions. In essence, Bitcoin is more than just currency. It's a technological innovation that's reshaping our understanding of value and the way we engage in financial transactions. But how did it all begin? Let's explore the fascinating history of Bitcoin in the next section. How does Bitcoin work? But how does it work? Well, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. Think of it as a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain. This chain is constantly updated and verified by a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. At its heart, the blockchain is like a digital archive that everyone can see and trust. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's there forever, forming an unbreakable chain of information. This means that no one can alter the past transactions or create counterfeit Bitcoins. So, whether you're buying a cup of coffee or making a multi-million-dollar transaction, the blockchain keeps everything honest and secure. It's the backbone of Bitcoin's revolutionary technology. But how do you get started with Bitcoin? We'll explore that in our next section. Getting started with Bitcoin. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about how you can get started with Bitcoin. The first step is to get a Bitcoin wallet, which is like your digital bank account. There are various types, such as online wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Your wallet will generate a unique address that you can use to send and receive Bitcoin. Think of this address as your personal digital ID in the world of Bitcoin. It's your secure key to access your funds. And the best part? You can have multiple addresses for different purposes, like one for everyday spending and another for long-term savings. Getting a wallet is easy and often free, just like opening a regular bank account. In our next section, we'll explore how to acquire Bitcoin and start using it for various purposes. Buying and using Bitcoin. To acquire Bitcoin, you can buy it on cryptocurrency exchanges using traditional money, or you can accept it as payment for goods and services. Many online, and even some physical stores, now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. When it comes to buying Bitcoin, you have options. You can head to cryptocurrency exchanges, which are like digital marketplaces where you can trade your regular money for Bitcoin. These exchanges are accessible through your computer or smartphone, making it convenient to buy and sell. But here's the exciting part. Bitcoin isn't just an investment. It's also a currency. That means you can use it to buy things. Imagine shopping online and seeing the option to pay with Bitcoin. It's like having a universal currency for the digital age. As more businesses embrace Bitcoin, it's becoming easier to use it for everyday transactions. From ordering a pizza to booking a flight, Bitcoin is finding its way into various aspects of our lives. In the next section, we'll delve into some essential tips and security measures to ensure your Bitcoin experience is both safe and rewarding. Security and tips. Security is paramount in the world of Bitcoin. Here are a few tips to keep your Bitcoin safe. Use strong, unique passwords for your wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and consider hardware wallets for added security. You can also create a paper wallet for offline storage of your Bitcoin. In the world of cryptocurrencies, your security is your responsibility. Strong passwords are like the locks on your digital vault, protecting your hard-earned Bitcoins from would-be intruders. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of defense, ensuring that even if someone guesses your password, they still can't access your funds. But for the ultimate peace of mind, consider a hardware wallet. These are physical devices designed specifically to keep your Bitcoin safe from online threats. It's like having a fortified fortress for your digital riches. And for those who prefer the old-school approach, a paper wallet is an ingenious way to store your Bitcoin offline. It's a physical piece of paper with your Bitcoin address and private key, no digital connection, no online vulnerabilities. Remember, security isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity when it comes to Bitcoin. In our final section, we'll wrap up our journey, highlighting the incredible potential of this digital currency and its role in shaping the future of finance. Conclusion. And there you have it, the basics of Bitcoin. It's an exciting and evolving technology that has the potential to change the way we think about money. Throughout this video, we've journeyed into the world of cryptocurrency, unveiling the essence of Bitcoin. It's not just about digital cash, it's a glimpse into the future of finance, a world where transactions are faster, more secure, and more accessible. As you venture further into the realm of Bitcoin, always remember to stay informed. The world of cryptocurrency is ever-changing, with new opportunities and challenges emerging regularly. Being cautious and well-informed is your key to success. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested in exploring the exciting world of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as we continue our journey into the world of personal finance and digital currencies.